welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my natural homemade facial toner. And the fragrance is amazing. Very light, very refreshing, very hydrating facial toner. Now, if you do not know what facial toner is what you spritz on your skin right after you wash your skin, before your serum, before your moisturizer. They have several different kinds and type of a facial toner. Some people call it a toner, some people call it a facial mist. This is gonna do everything, double duty. It's an anti-aging facial toner loaded with antioxidant that get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, just tighten and firm that skin. And the wonderful thing about this facial toner is that you can keep this in your refrigerator, and when you're feeling hot, you're just gonna take it and spread it on your face. Very pleasant if you're looking for that plump skin. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. Just an amazing mix of ingredients for your skin. So if you're interested in today's video, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I'll also show you how to use this wonderful goodness for best result. Now take a look at our main ingredient, and this is star anise. And this is what the star anise look like up close. A lot of people know about star anise because they use it as a spice. Some people also use it as a tea for weight loss. What you might not be aware of is the many benefits of star anise to the skin, especially the aging skin. Anise has a property in it called tannins, which help to tighten and firm skin and help to get rid of the wrinkles and the fine lines on the skin. It helps to smooth the skin. It also helps to fade dark spots and patches and blemishes on the skin, and it has an amazing fragrance. Today we're using the star anise as one of our main tightening ingredient in this facial toner. Now moving on to our next ingredient, and take a look at this. This is rosebud and rose petal. This is a food grade rosebud. However, today we're going to use the rosebud and petal in our facial toner. As you know, rose is great for the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin, and it will penetrate deep into that skin, plump that skin up, and give you a bright, radiant glow to the skin. Now take a look at our rose petal up close, and these are dried rose petal, organic rose petal. So when you are searching for rose petal, make sure they are food grade. However, if you have your rose plant with no form of a fertilizer on it, you can pick the leaves and dry them and get your own rose petals. I buy mine, which I will link in the description box below. Now our next ingredient is a wrinkle fighting ingredient, and this is green tea. Green tea is going to have to fight the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is loaded with antioxidant that will have to boost the collagen production in the skin. Green tea is also cooling to the skin. It has wonderful benefits not only for your skin but internally. Green tea will have to flush the system out with toxin. Just an amazing ingredient to use inside and outside your body. Now take a look at our final ingredient, and this is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a very moisturizing ingredient. It moisturizes the skin and have the skin soft and supple. Today it's going to do double duty. We're using this as a moisturizer, but we're also using it as a preservative in our natural facial toner. Okay? So now to begin, the first thing we're going to do, we are going to be doing some boiling because we need to boil the star anise. Now I'm not going to use all of this. This is way too much since the star anise is very strong. So I'm just going to use my discretion. And this is about a 1/4 cup of star anise. We're going to put that in our pot. And next I'm going to pour 2 cups. Make that 3 cups of water, And 3 cups of water is about 690 ml of water. And next you're going to put this on the stove top and you're going to boil this for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on the stove top and I will be back with the boiled star anise. I'm back and here is our boiled star anise. It has reduced a little, but that is expected. Now the next step is to add the other ingredient to this while it is still very, very hot. So here I have my green tea and I'm actually going to open the tea bag in this. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the green tea in it like this. And I'm using just 1 tea bag. If you want it to be stronger, go ahead and use 2 tea bags of green tea. Pour that in. Make sure it's still very, very hot right off the stove. And next we are reaching for our rose petal. And we're going to use a 1/4 cup of rose petal. And we're going to pour this in. And we're going to give this a stir. What we're actually doing, we're brewing the tea and we are brewing the rose petal. So once we have them all totally covered, we are gonna cover the pot, star anise, rose petal, and green tea. And guess what, guys? We're just going to leave this overnight. We're going to let the tea brew. We're going to let the rose petal brew. And we're going to let everything just totally infused. And because we want it to be cold, no sense to rush it. So we're just going to leave it overnight. All right? Now I'm back and here it is. It is brewed and cooled. We have it overnight and the next thing we're going to do with this, we are going to strain. You're going to need a strainer and we're just going to strain this off. Now remember, there is no chemical in this roses or no dye on the rose. So don't expect it to be red, okay? This is natural organic roses. And what you're going to do with this, you're just going to toss it, or you could just blend it and use it for a facial mask. So this is it, guys. This is our facial toner. And next ingredient that I'm going to use in it is the vegetable glycerine. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of vegetable glycerine. You really do not want a lot because it's a facial toner and you don't want it to be too greasy. And then we're just going to stir this. And here it is, guys, our anti-aging facial toner loaded with a lot of antioxidant that is going to help to fight wrinkles, boost collagen, and just plump that skin up, just giving you a fresh, hydrated skin. If you are in your 20s, this is going to work as a perfect facial mist for you. If you're in your 30s, this is going to work as a facial toner, a facial skin tightener. If you're in your 40s and upward, this is definitely going to get rid of your wrinkles and your fine lines and have your skin just smooth and supple. Now I'm going to store mine in a glass jar. Now if you have a spray bottle, that is also good because you need to spritz it on your face. And now I'm going to need 2 jars, but I'll save this to put in my spray bottles. Now here it is, guys, our anti-aging facial toner in all its glory. Now this can be used on your skin AM and PM. It's best to apply this to clean skin, and you want to spritz this on before you apply your facial serum. You're going to let it hair dry before you apply the serum. Now this is great for the summertime. When you find your skin get a little hot, you just spritz some of this, keep it in the refrigerator, and spritz it on your skin, and it's going to hydrate the skin. Now remember, this is loaded with antioxidant and hydrating properties that's going to hydrate the skin. If you have dry skin, this is a wonderful facial toner for you. Now this can also just use on your face just like that. Spritz it on your neck and your décolleté and you're good to go. Keep this in your refrigerator for about 10 days or so, and then you make a new batch. Always store in the refrigerator. Alright, so I didn't forget to show you how to use, in case you do not have a spray bottle. You can just pour some out, get a cotton pad, dip it in, and just rub it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, wherever you want to. Cool and nice. It's gonna cool your skin down. Spray bottle or cotton pad. Alright, guys? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Please, 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 please give this one a try. Come back and comment, 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 comment. Now, if this was the first time watching, do not leave without subscribing. So look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Now, guys, I also have a show every Friday, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is Let's Talk Skincare with Khichibeauty. On this show, we talk about all different kinds of ingredients that is out there in the skincare market today, all the new invention and all the oldies that come back to being new again. So you don't want to miss that show. So join me every Friday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Let's Talk Skincare with Khichibeauty. Go and make your wonderful toner, okay? All right, all right.